Good afternoon, I'm Kaulen with your PHS Afternoon News Today for Monday, September 16th. The French Scenic Railway is holding auditions for the Polar Express. You must be 13 years of age to be considered for a role. Kickball intramural sign-ups forms have been sent to your email. Get your team together or sign up as an individual and be placed on a team. Sign up will end September 27th and games will be played on October 2nd. Girls varsity and JV volleyball will be at home tonight starting at 5:30. Varsity boys tennis is at B&L tonight starting at 6. Junior high cross country will be away at Salem starting at 5:30. JV football will be home against Perry Central starting at 6:30. Varsity golf will be at Salem starting at 4:30. Come support your Rams in action tonight. There will be a junior high spell ball practice September 16th in Mrs. Brown's room. I'm Colin, and that's your afternoon news. Have a fantastic day.